Salam everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ravi and welcome to a brand new video for me. So today we're doing another Eid inspired makeup look, and today we're focusing on all the lilac vibes. So I honestly love purple eyeshadow on my eyes, on my skin tone. I feel like if you have brown eyes, purple will really make it pop, and although this isn't purple, it's a hue of purple. So I'm using the Colourpop Lilac You A Lot palette to create this look. And I love this palette so much. It's a nice pastel, so you're kind of keeping up with the trends of like pastels in spring, but it really works on brown skin tone. So I'm gonna go over the eye look and the skin. Like, I've been doing this new technique with like my highlight that I just feel like looks so beautiful on like in your makeup routine. It makes your highlight still pop without looking too overpowering. So we're gonna go over all of that in this look. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing with a friend. And with that, you guys, let's just get into the video. So we're starting off with the base already done. So I have foundation, concealer, my eyebrows on, as well as a really light just all over powdering of the face. I'm gonna go in with some baking powder. I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Soft Pink. I kind of want to keep this look a little bit on the cooler side, that's why I'm not gonna go in with the yellow powder today. And I've already set underneath of my eyes, so I don't have to worry about too much creasing happening. I'm basically just gonna bake underneath of my eyes. Guys, we're going to be using the Lilac You Lot palette from Colourpop. It's this really beautiful, vibrant lilac palette. So I'm basically first going to go into this shade Ghostin' right here. And I'm going to kind of flick this out on this outer corner and blend it into my crease. I really love these Colourpop pastel palettes. Like, I just love how vibrant they are. So I'm gonna dip it into this shade right here, which is the shade Filtered, and I'm just gonna wing it out. Again, when you're trying to make your eyes look more bigger, more foxy, all you want to basically do is focus colors like in an upward motion on your outer corner, and then this is where I want most of the darkness. And then once I kind of have most of that color off the brush, I'm gonna just start sweeping it into my inner corner, like the outer corner of my eye, keeping it below that first Ghostin' shade we put on. Now with a flat brush, I'm gonna go into the shade right here, Fluff, and I'm going to basically pile that on to the center of my lid. Okay, now that I have that shimmer shade applied, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of filter, and I'm just going to kind of fluff that where the two shapes meet, make sure there's no harshness, and kind of blend it. And I'm doing this step with a super light hand. I'm not applying any pressure at all, like kind of just sweeping it. Going in with this Fenty Beauty liner, I'm just going to give myself like a quick wing. And what I'm going to do is kind of give myself like that white space in between the two lines. I kind of want to keep this wing on this outer corner pretty sharp. Then on this inner corner, I'm bringing it in and kind of going past my tear duct to give that elongated effect. This NYX liquid liner, I used the green one and a different one, but this is the Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Blossom. It's a really beautiful lavender. I used this in the challenge where I can randomly pick my makeup video, and I'm basically just going to drag this along. I just want to put that underneath of that black liner. And this is so like pigmented that it kind of also helps with like cleaning up your liner if you kind of made some mistakes like I did. It helps to clean it up. I have that on. I'm going to just dust off this base. This palette does have a lot of fall off, so you just want to fall out. So you just want to lightly dust it off, making sure that you don't blend in any of that pigment into your face. Put a whole lot of this deeper filtered shade underneath. And like bringing it down really low. I think that the camera's catching that. And then blending that out again with this Ghostin shade. So blending it, also just smoking it out a little bit lower. Going back in with that Fenty liner, I'm basically going to start on this outer third of my eye and kind of draw now a line underneath of that lavender line. I kind of darkened it up with the blending down here, but I'm going to reapply it. I just needed to have it there so I could see where that white space was going to go. So I'm basically going to just start drawing a line right underneath of it, and I'm not gonna take it all the way out, like all the way out to here. I'm gonna stop it about like a third of the way out. So I'm back with the mascara on. I also put on some Ardell Wispies for the falsies, and I just lined the inside, like the waterline and tight line, with some black liner just to bring some cohesiveness to the look. Now I'm going to go in and highlight my face. I'm going with the Nicole Guerriro palette from Anastasia. I'm actually going to mix this Forever Lit shade with a little bit of Kitty Cat to keep it again really cool toned, or just not like so warm. Apply that. Again, I've been saying if you're looking for a highlight that's gonna like pop, you need this palette. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze the entirety of my face with the Kylie bronzer in the shade Tanned and Gorgeous. And because my hair is pulled back and out of my face, I'm really gonna go around the entire hairline to just give my face more structure. I feel like usually when you have your hair down, your hair kind of fills your face up a little bit, but when I put my hair up, I just kind of go in and bronze a little bit heavier. So I'm going to kind of go around the entire head right here. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Kylie blush in the shade Baddie on the Block. Again, I feel like this blush isn't warm toned and is really neutral. I feel like it gives your cheeks a nice blush without adding too much color, and it goes really well with like the more pastel looks. I feel take a fluffy brush that doesn't have any product on it and just go around the entire face and around circular motions to get everything to blend in with one another. For lips, I'm going to keep it really simple and go in with a gloss. For the gloss, I'm using the Colourpop X Iluvsarahii Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Glass Lip. Okay, you guys, and that completes this makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this. Honestly, the Colourpop 9-pan shadow palettes have been a current obsession of mine. I have like 3 of the more pastel-y ones, and honestly, I just love how they perform. I love that they show up on brown skin, and then also it's nice to just have a mirror in here to be able to like do your makeup in. And it performs just really well. Like, it's not ashy, it's not, you get like pretty true to color pigment without having to go in with a white base or anything. And yeah, purple shadows, like any hue of purple, so like purple, lilac, lavender, they really will make, if you have brown eyes, it will really bring out that richness in your eye shade. So I would 100% recommend like going to check out ColourPopCosmetics.com if you're in the market for any shadow palette. Like they have so many different types of color stories, color schemes, and yeah, I really like them. And their Super Shock formula is great, and their mattes are so nice. And like again, this is like a $12 palette, and it just works really nice. I hope that again you guys enjoyed it, maybe learned a new technique. I actually really like this double winged effect. I think I have to practice a lot more, but I really like the effect it gives. It was kind of, it didn't take as much time, but I feel like it looks super cool. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And with that, you guys, if you did, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing with a friend. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. Bye!